Hello, friends. Very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Fund Investments. So, this video, I'm going to talk about some mutual funds related investments and mutual fund. And I'm going to compare this mutual funds, how it is working, and how we can create a wealth through a mutual fund. And before going to the video, so all the mutual funds which are invested through related to the stock market and it is investments are subject to the market risk. And if you're a longer the period, if you're planning a mutual fund investment through SIP or a systematic investment plan or a lump sum, that is going to generate some return. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the Nippon India Small Cap Fund. It is the one of the fund which is performing and the top performing funds in the category. And I'm going to talk about the fund fact and how it is going to give you such a good result in the over the period of time. So if you are investing on equity mutual fund, that is going to related to the market risk. Before investing, you need to do your own analysis and one research, and then you can start doing that. So here in this video, that discussion is about for informational and educational purpose only. So here small cap funds. So what does mean by the small cap funds? So in the stocks category based on the number of outstanding shares. That is what mid cap, large cap, mid cap, and small cap. So based on the number, so the first 100, 1 to 100 stocks are large cap, and 0 to 100 is the large cap stocks, and 100 to 250, 101 to 250 is the mid cap, and above 251 is the small cap stocks, and having the 5 crores uh, market capitalization. That stocks is called as a small cap stocks. And this one, so Nippon India small cap fund and growth plan and growth option, the NAV is around 134.37 as of now, current price. In today's recent up to yesterday, so you can say yesterday it has almost increased by 1 rupee 29 paisa, that is almost 0.96. And this fund is started from 2010 September 5. How this fund is performing? So September 5 and 2010, the expense ratio, that is what to manage this fund. So we need to pay that expense ratio as 1.5%. And it is an open-ended scheme, so we can invest any point of the time. And here minimum investment and a lump sum is about 5,000 and top up is around 1,000 and a minimum SIP is around 100 rupees. You can start saving and 100 rupees from monthly basis on this fund also. And the risk status, it is very high because it is related to the direct equity exposure. So it is going to take a very high risk. But if you are looking for a longer the term, so we can look for this. And what happened in this fund and how this fund is performing in this category. So here the fund is almost given you last 1 month is around 7.79%, 3 months 6%, and 6 months 27, and 1 year 41, and 3 years. So less than 1 year, it is calculated as a absolute return. Absolute return means how much you are exactly getting, and less than more than 1 year period, and as I calculated as a compound annual growth rate. So here more than 1 year 41%, 3 year 40%, 5 years 28%, and 10 years 28%. So the benchmark for this fund is Nifty Small Cap 250 TRA, Total Return Index. In the current category is equity small cap category. Okay, this is what the index performed. The benchmark around 8%. It is in the 1 month it is less than index, 3 months less than index, but here 6 months. But here 1 year and 1 year and above, it is performing well greater than the benchmark. Okay, so the fund having good exposure in equity and it is having highly risky. So since inspection from 2010, if you have started, it is giving you CAGR of 21.67%. As of now, the AUM on this particular fund is more than 37,319 crores, which is in this fund. And how this performing comparing with the index. So it is simply performing more than the benchmark. So it is also a good fund for the long-term investment, which we can. And the allocation on this fund. So what are the things and what are the top 10 holding equity, Tube Investments, HDFC, KIPT Technologies, So these are all the stocks which is more investment, and there is a tube investment. This is almost 2.6% in this one, and sector allocations almost capital goods, financial sector, services, healthcare. So it is a mixed one. So almost different. The highest category is capital goods, and the highest stock is tube investments. Okay, and if you are looking at equity is almost 96% allocation. That is why this fund is directly related to the equity mutual fund equity, and it is having 100% market risk. Okay, cash and equivalent is 3.72%, debt is 0.02, and the fund is behaving a mean price is 36 and sharp ratio is 1.9. The alpha beta, so you know well, standard deviation is 15.7, and portfolio turnover is around 21. And the market capitalization distribution, large cap 11%, mid cap 14%, small cap is around 65%, and this is 8% because it is a small cap fund. But even that some portion of the investment can be done in the large and mid cap stocks also. Okay, and the performance here is about a yearly wise, so which we are looking at the yearly wise performance on this fund. And this is what a riskometer which you are looking at, the high risk this is involved on this particular fund. So here 1 year return is around 41%. You can look at this 3 years. This is what a scheme return, and we are comparing with the benchmark. The scheme return which is generating you 41% since its introduction, 10 years 28%, and this is a benchmark return, and almost it is equivalent to the benchmark. And additional benchmark is about Nifty 50 TR category average. In this category average is 34%, but it is performing about to the category, and 33% in 3 years it is performing, and here is a 24. So almost every time frame which you are comparing, this fund is performing um, more than the category average. That is a top performing funds in the category. So we may be looking for this. And what happened after the fund is performing very good and risk is high? And what is happening on Nifty small cap? If I invested through a monthly investment like SIP, systematic investment plan, and if I started investing on 10,000 rupees on this fund, so Nippon India small cap, so 3,66,000 is which I am investing in last 3 years. That current value of that fund is almost 5.7 lakhs. That is what 34% XIR. Okay, and if I am looking for a same time Nifty small cap 250 TRI, it is around 29%. It is the fund is performing greater than the return index. And equity small cap, so which you are invested directly, so your fund would be around 5.2 lakhs. But over the period of 5 years, 6 lakhs investment, 14 lakhs grown on this fund, and in the index is around 12 lakhs. Over that period of 10 year, well, 12 lakhs which is invested, and now it is 44 lakh with the XAR of 25 percentage, and that index same time it is generating 18.8%. And if I are comparing 15 years, the fund is not completed at 15 years, almost 2010 it is started. Now 13 years gone. So maybe long-term investment, if you are looking at, you can look for this. This information and data is for a study purpose only, which I have taken. And if you have any questions and doubt, and if you want to any clarification, you just contact me. The numbers available in description, or you can contact through my WhatsApp number, which mentioned on this fund. And this is what a fund which is going to give you such a good result over the period of time. You can look for a so small savings as well as investment kind of thing. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. And this is my first video on this channel, and I hope I need your supports to grow this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions and doubt, you just comment on the comment box, or you can directly WhatsApp me and the number which is shown on this description. Thank you so much.